this thing is already dead. It's not even freezing cold. That's not even that cold. It's nothing. It's dead. That is not normal at all. I need to tell them that's why it's so hot in there. The brine's still running strong, but it's not even cooling well. These two do not even cool well. They have inefficient Janitrol air handlers. But I don't see what's the point of replacing this brine. It's still running strong and good, but this root is done. That's the problem. I don't get why it's so loud. It's already done. It's a loud unit. I can hear it all the way up from over here, like 25 feet or something. There's a Goodman. Yep, this root is so loud.